So it's another beautiful day on the beach. We're coming back again. We came a little earlier today, so we got here before high tide, but still it's coming up. And we've got the crazies who are covered in sand. Alright, hey, show me your mustaches.
Nope.
Oh, that's great. Good mustache. Jackson.
See my mustache in the picture?
Oh my goodness. You are covered. Yeah, you are definitely covered right now.
What about me? What about me?
Yep, you were pretty covered too.
I'm the cleanest.
Chloe's the cleanest.
Can I
Gray,
see the picture?
what are you?
Not the picture.
Are you
nothing.
as dirt?
I'm nothing.
You're nothing? You look pretty dirty. Can you see yourself?
Yeah, I can see myself.
Here, come over this way. Do it again, but this woman has been walking around for the last 15 minutes picking up seashells like this. That just is absolutely ingenious. Look at that. Look at her go. Good job. Good job to you. I don't know if he realizes how big those waves are.
What are you doing?
This is my non-water child. Well, both of them, non-water children. Picking up some more rocks. I'm finding some good ones. Every single time. Picking them up. Jump. This is a cool one. Jackson, are you exfoliating?
Yeah, I think.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you get a boogie board or my life jacket for me?
Yeah, I'll get your life jacket. Gray, are you having fun?
I am.
Chloe? Oh, don't wrap yourself in that towel.
What?
We need that towel later, so don't get it wet right now.
Okay.
Okay.
That's her towel.
Aiden, are you having fun? Refreshing watermelon break. Everyone's enjoying it. Ooh.
I'm floating.
Safety first.
Get that away from me. Oh no. I don't think
You don't see any sand on your face.
No.
Are you looking really hard?
I'm looking hard.
Oh, he found something. Oh, trash. Well, let's put it in the bed of the truck so we can throw it away. Or in there, yeah. Gotta clean up these beaches. People forget sometimes. And he's off. They're off to look for more trash and treasures. Well, alright, show me your bullet shells. So cool.
I want to find.
Okay, so we're getting ready to leave the beach. Did everybody have fun?
Yep. Yeah, I found a bunch of bullet shells. I found some stuff and 3 bullet shells and a cannon bullet.
Alright. Okay, we decided to eat after we showered. We had to come up here because the drive-on section doesn't have any showers or bathrooms, so we're all eating. Yay!
We need that.